guys, what's going on? Welcome to another RWeb Creations video. On the last video, we replaced the gray dashboard to a black one, and today we're gonna get rid of the rest of the gray interior, guys, because we're going to refresh the whole interior. As you guys know, to me, the interior is one of the most important parts of the car because that's where you enjoy the car. So let's get going. Let's begin. So guys, as I said in the beginning, last time what we did was we replaced the gray dashboard to the black one. I'm going to show you guys the progress we made last time. It looks much better. I still have to order my Carbonetics airbag delete kit, but I'm very happy with the results till now. And our task for today is to remove the rest of the old interior. As you guys can see, we have to remove the seats, the back seat, the old carpet, and pretty much get it ready for the new interior, which I'm very excited about. So that being said, let's continue.
Guys, we are live in Aruba. Now is Daddy speaking. So we have here RWeb Creation working on his car, trying to lose the seats. So let's see if he can have it loose.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now.
So guys, we got rid of the seats. So right now we're going to remove the old carpet, the old disgusting carpet. Look what we have here. Whoa, que ka? Man, I love skylines, bro. It's gonna be neck in the future. RWeb Creations is going to have a skyline for sure.
A few moments later.
So guys, once again, we've reached the end of another RWeb Creations video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on your notification button so you can be notified when a new video is being uploaded. So as I promised before guys, we're reaching 500 subscribers. When we reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to do something special for you guys. So thank you for all the support you're giving to the channel. You guys stay safe. See you in the next one. Keep it sideways, baby. Let's go. Boom.